What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Falcon from the Avengers Doomsday. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so I'm going to start from the very top, bring that all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, bring that down, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle. So we want to bring this in for a highlight, and then curl it back out towards the top. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the nose. So we're going to start on the left. Let's curve the nose coming down, across, and then up. Now we're going to step up in the center and draw a short curve going in the opposite direction across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down. We're going to draw the mouth, curve this up, and then down. Let's add a bracket along the outside corners of the mouth. Go back to the center, step down, draw a straight line going across the lower lip. Now with the face complete, let's draw the inside edge of the helmet. So we're going to start right in between the eyes, start with a point. Let's angle this up and then out toward the left with a straight line. Then do the same thing going up towards the right. From the side, come straight down. Now just angle this down and in, just underneath the eyes. Let's add a point coming in. So we come down and in. Down and out with a short line. Now I want to follow this angle line going all the way out towards the outside of the helmet. Let's draw a straight line going up towards the top. Just going to line this up with this top point. Now I want to connect these two lines with a curve for the top of the helmet. So we go up and then pull that in, right out the helmet, go across, and then back down. Let's tuck the face in underneath the helmet. From this point, step in, goes down and in underneath the mouth, go across, then up towards the right. Let's add that chin piece. Underneath the lip, draw a straight line, come down and out. Now I want to trace the head, going all the way around and then up underneath the helmet. We're going to add a thick stripe across the center, starting on the top left, go straight down, move over towards the right, and draw another line. Now on the side of the head, we're going to draw those ear covers. From here, cut this out, and then in. Let's go back to the face and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the top left, we're going to come in, and then down on both sides. On the inside, let's curl up the brow underneath the edge of the helmet. Now let's go back to the outside. We're going to create a point and taper this in. Do the same thing on the right. And I'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's add one more detail on the outside of the helmet. Starting from this point, bend this up and then in. And then draw a straight line coming all the way down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. And then from the hip, angle this down and in, and we'll flatten off the center. Let's move up along the side, angle this up and in. Draw a straight line going across. Draw a straight line from top to bottom. Let's add one detail in the center, coming down and in, and we'll flatten this off. Now I'm going to add a strap across the shoulders. Let's start from the top left side, coming down and in, flatten this off, and then go up and then out toward the side. Now there's one thing I want to add in the center of the helmet is the edge of the visor. So we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, coming in between the nose and the mouth, then back up. Let's trace these 3 lines across the top. Down, across, and then up. In the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, step over towards the left. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And we're going to round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left from the heel, coming down and up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then angle this up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Let's add a toe cap. From the outside top of the foot, bend this in and then down halfway across the sole. Let's go halfway up the leg, add a curve, going across and up on both sides. Now we're going to add a knee pad. From the outside of this line, curve this down and then back up. Now we're going to go back up to the edge of the body, add a curve going out and then down. Let's add a pouch on the side of the hip. On the left, we're going to go out, straight down, and then back in. So we're going to add a rectangle on either side. Now let's go halfway between the chin and the hip. We're going to start right here. We're going to bend the arm, going around the pouch and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a half circle going in and then out from the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve the second finger, and then the third finger, and go all the way around, go up and then in underneath the head. Now let's go to the wrist. I'm going to bend this up and then out on either side. Step up and draw them again. Let's go to the top of the arm along the inside, bend this up and then out. And then from here we draw the shoulder pad coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Let's add a stripe along the outside of the arm. And now we're going to place the wings in behind the body. So let's start from the top of the arm. I'm going to bend this out and then up on both sides. On the end, angle this down and in. Let's follow that same curve coming in towards the side of the arm. From this point, we're going to step in, curve the wing coming down and in behind the arm, and we'll just continue in between. And I want to follow that same curve along the inside, going in between the arm and the body. And then along the outside panel, we're just going to add a series of lines coming in towards the inside. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Falcon from the Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on Skool. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.